Hello, my name's Kate Findlay. I'm here today to show you a very simple project to make with children. This project would work for children from about the age of 7 or 8, upwards to 11 or 12 or older if they would like. Basically, we're going to make a very simple little lavender bag, or it could actually be used as a pincushion instead. And when you hand sew around the edge of this, again, you've got a choice of stitches. You can use a running stitch, blanket stitch, just some synthetic stuffing, and pop that inside and complete the sewing. And then once that's done, you'll have a really lovely little product. So there you go. This will be your finished product, which will be a really nice little gift for Mother's Day.